Welcome to yet another short Godot tutorial. In this one I'm going to cover how to do a checkpoint. Don't forget to watch the other tutorial that I've done on how to respawn the player or an object or an enemy because it's very important because they tie with each other. If you look on the map in here, you can see that my player is going to get respawned in here, and I have put a checkpoint in here. If I play the game and my player will die in the hole, you can see it gets respawned in there. But if the player also touches the checkpoint, well, nothing happens in here because there's no checkpoint logic yet. So first of all, I'm going to create the checkpoint scene. Create checkpoint, and this checkpoint, it will be an area, and I will add a shape to D, a collision shape to D, add the shape to it. I think that's okay. How big is it? 10 pixels. That's fine. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. That's good. I will also add a script to it. Okay. I don't need these, but I will need to connect the signal for whenever the body enters. So connect it in here. If I go in my player scene and I click on my player, I can see that the player is part of the player group. And now I go back to my checkpoint and I state that if body is in group player, I will print on the screen must checkpoint. Okay, and now if I play the game, I should see exactly that on the screen, must checkpoint. So the signal got triggered. Now I will go into the player and I need to have a variable to actually know who spawned the player. So that would be spawner equals null initially, and we'll also enter in the player spawner. So whenever we create a new player, we say that the spawner is self. So the spawner is telling the new object, in this case the player, that hey, I spawned you. Okay, so this means whenever the player enters into the checkpoint, that the spawner position should be the position the position of the checkpoint. And now if I get eaten by this monster, I got respawned at the last checkpoint. Of course, if I will touch another checkpoint, that's going to replace and put the respawning point at that new checkpoint. You need to destroy the checkpoint if you want to be able to collect the checkpoint just a single time. I really hope you find this useful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.